give us a snapshot there of the economic situation and the issues that are dominating the markets in Maputo.
Good morning, thank you. Mozambique has the economic performance as such. I'll start from just highlighting what is the general discussion around the markets, given that the European crisis is still posing some risks to the global economy, but the developing countries are being regarded as the ones who will be performing well. And for Mozambique in particular, the outlook is very positive. Mozambique, which has been enjoying a growth average rate of above 7% over the last 10 years, and it is expected to grow around 7.5% in 2012 and around 8% in 2013. So in terms of the official forecast from the government, it is expected to grow at an average of 7.9% over the next 3 years, which we believe it's fairly conservative, given that if we price in the inflow of foreign direct investment, which will come from the investment into natural gas and coal mining, as well as supporting infrastructure and energy to support those investments, we expect it to be a little bit more, above 8%.
Alberto,
in terms of
Alberto, you talk about investment in natural gas and coal. We know that the Maputo port, the government in partnership with Grindrod has developed that port, so you'd be looking at getting money from exports through South Africa. What are the main drivers of economic growth at the moment? One thinks of a Kenya where the exports are things like flowers and where you have a traditional focus in exports. What's the Mozambique focus?
Currently, we see the Mozambique economy being boosted by agriculture and financial services, as well as mining. In near future, we expect the mining sector to be the main driver, together with agriculture and also financial services. So those are the main sectors, together obviously with a construction sector, with all those infrastructure required to support the growth from all those areas.
What are the blockages to growth, Alberto? Sometimes high growth rates can bring problems with them, such as inflation. What is the inflation currency balance?
In Mozambique, we have been at the moment witnessing a deflation environment. Talking about the Mozambique inflation, it's now 1.4% year on year up to end August, and average rate is 4.73. So we're witnessing, as I said, deflation environment. Maputo CPI has been showing deflation now for the fifth consecutive month, which is now at 1.07%, which is historical levels, I mean record lows over the last 2.5 years. So in terms of inflation forecast, official forecast points out to the single digit inflation around 5.6% over the next 3 years. So in terms of inflation, we think that everything is under control. We'll be seeing a single digit inflation over the coming years. Basically, it's linked to the stability of the metal against the dollar and other trading currencies.